Good morning. Welcome back to Split Life Productions. My name is Nate, and this is your morning reaction. Okay, we got a new band checking out that we're going to check out today. New band is called Purge Engine, and their new song Odium Propagate. Now, this new band or project, at least. This is the new project by Tyler Shelton, who is the vocalist for the band Traitors. This is his new project. He wanted to explore a little bit more range because Traitors definitely has a certain style that Tyler brings when it comes to vocals. And what he had said on his Facebook post regarding Purge Engine, this is gonna test his range as a vocalist. Which is great. You know, I love seeing, when vocalists step out of what they normally do and try to push the limits of what they can do. Tyler's vocals is incredibly unique, especially when he does those huge moose screams. But again, you hear that when you hear Traitors. Very unique, very, very unique sound. So I'm excited to hear what he does with Purge Engine. So Odium Propagate, new song. Let's go. Come by way of Slam Worldwide. Okay. Okay. Very different. Really, really fast. So I would say that, like, just in the first 30 seconds, definitely leading towards a little bit more death metal in the deathcore, being very technical, but still very deathcore. Bro, was that just a burp? Dude, no. So far the vocal range in this is very, very good. If I didn't know that this was Tyler, I wouldn't have recognized it. It definitely gives me a little bit more like Corpse Grinder vibes, which is interesting. Like his low ends is very like in this song. And what he's able to do, it sounds a little like Corpse Grinder a little bit. So. But I got to hear that burp again. That was... The highs. I love those highs. Like that is like a good mid-high scream there. That's really good. I've never heard that before. Yeah, this here's the deathcore. Here's the deathcore low, very low gutturals. Oh, tempo. Just hit us with another tempo change, Jesus. Hit us with that kind of GOOO section. Ooh, the little open notes there. Back to the blast beats. Dude, the range on this song is really impressive. Whoo! Holy crap. That was insane. So yeah, that was Purge Engine, Odium, Propagate. Dude, Tyler, you nailed it with this song. This was so good. That was incredibly good. It really, really definitely showed a different range for you and what you can do. Dude. I love the first comment. It goes, Tyler really said, hold my bush, I'll show you some vocals. Fucking mood. That is literally what that is literally what I was thinking too. I'm just, this is like, hold my beer. Let me show you something. Dude. If someone goes, this part right here from 9 seconds to 4 minutes and 5 seconds, that was the sick part, the whole song. No, fantastic song. You did an amazing job, Tyler. You did an absolutely killer job with this new song and this new project. I'm looking forward, if you do more, I'm definitely looking forward to hearing more of a Purge Engine. So yeah, holy crap. As always, links to the video as well as this project's Spotify and socials will be in the description of this video down below. Be sure to check these guys. Be sure to check out Purge Engine, and be sure to check out Tyler and Traders, Tyler Shelton, and also his main band Traders as well. And yeah, holy, this was so good. This was absolutely amazing. So yeah, I can't say it enough. Yeah, seriously, check out this song. Yeah, if you like the video in general, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when all videos come out every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for your reactions, and Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays for your gaming videos, iRacing, Lego Indiana Jones 2, when we get the episodes edited, Silent Hill 2 remake. And if you want to purge, if you want to support the this page even further, head over to the Patreon page and you can subscribe there. You could also get yourself access to Record Time, which is our full album reactions. They're unedited. So, yeah, be sure to check out those videos when they drop. And those drop on Sunday. Those drop Sundays. So, and then if you want me to check out your stuff, if you have any suggestions or if you're in a band and I should check out your stuff, be sure to leave a comment down below, or you can reach out to me on Facebook or on Twitter. Links to those will be in the description of this video as well. So thank y'all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Have a good rest of your morning. God damn.